I'm going to show you how to use the Inevitrade Pro Plus indicator, which is a custom indicator that we built as a community that consists of a cloud highlight RSI, Bollinger Bands, and something called strength versus Bitcoin, which is going to show us the relationship of a certain crypto compared to the strength or weakness of Bitcoin at the time. So if you want to try to use this indicator just off the start, if you want to follow along, you go into this tools and resources section. You can go ahead and click on this. That's going to give you via email this entire PDF document that gives you essentially everything that we have to offer on the public side of the house for trade resources, right? So you can go ahead into here and click on the Pro Plus indicator. Go ahead and add that to your TradingView. If you're not using TradingView, you can also sign up with the referral link right here, be able to use our charting. Once you have the Pro Plus, you can go ahead and add it to your chart. So you can see I have my Pro Plus right here, as well as 3,500 other people that are enjoying it, which is awesome. So what this is going to do is this is going to allow us to find over and undervalued parts of charts, right? So anytime we're getting these highlight strips in candles that are closing with this cloud highlight, that often indicates an area where the price is significantly oversold or overbought, right? There's going to be instances where we're going to get a candle right here, say we get a highlight right there, and then the price will just continue to drop down. So we don't want to use this as, say, a trade signal, right? You see a lot of people, like stupid people online that are like, just wait for this to highlight and then just go ahead and buy and that will work and then sell it when it highlights over this section. Like, do you really think that institutions would pay millions and millions of dollars to train traders and have traders if it was just that simple? Like, come on, we got to think logically about this. So what we're using this for generally is a confluence indicator for our other trading systems. So we need to have very regimented entry criteria on our charts, but one of those criteria can be that we are longing with other technical analysis. Say we have a fair value gap, say we have an order block, say we have a liquidity sweep, and we have Fibonacci projections, as well as our highlight into entry. That could be a determining factor. Maybe one of our other setups looks similar that we were trying to long into here, and we didn't have a highlight on one of them. We may want to choose the one that does have the highlight to give us that conviction. Once again, highlight here, overextended, and then highlight here. First candle closes. Up here would be a pretty good zone to sell when we did get our highlight. But once again, you can't rely fully on this for our trading signals, because you can see even right here, right, we got our first highlight and then the price proceeded to continue to move down and stay highlighted. So take it with a grain of salt, but it is a very powerful tool when we're looking for areas to start taking profit and areas to potentially long or short into. Right. And then once again, this plot up here is going to show you how strong XRP in this situation is compared to Bitcoin, right? So it can be helpful to pick, if you're longing into something, you may want to choose something that is green right here that is stronger than Bitcoin. And if we're shorting, you might want to pick something that is currently in the red to make sure that you're staying with the proper bias and you're not trying to fight the trends. But that's a really cool indicator that you can start using to optimize your entries and exits on your trades.